Hi grade 2s, your learning goal today is I can use probability words. Here we have some of our probability words, and I'm hoping that a lot of them you remember from last year, and if not, we're going to go over them right now because today is all about probability words. And here we have a line, like a number line, but we're going to put words on it today. It's going to be our probability line. I'm going to start with some that hopefully you remember. For example, impossible means it can't happen. It is impossible. I'm going to put that at this end of the line. This is the can't end of the line. Certain is the opposite of impossible, and it means it is definitely going to happen. Some other words you might remember are likely, which means it has a good chance of happening, so it's close to certain. It's not certain, but it's almost certain. And unlikely is just the opposite of that. That's why it's on the opposite end of the line. It's probably not going to happen, but it's not impossible. Then another term we need to know is equally likely, and that's in our work today. Equally likely means it's an exactly equal chance. We really don't know if it's unlikely or likely. There's an equal chance it could happen or not happen. And these two terms up here, more likely and less likely, we're going to use today, but we only use them when we're comparing things. Like, it is less likely that I will have pizza for breakfast than oatmeal because I have oatmeal every morning. Or it is more likely that I will go for a walk today than I will go for a swim because it's a bit cold out for a swim. Now that we know our words, let's use them with sentences. The first one says, it's more likely that blank than it is that I fly in a spaceship today. Do you have any ideas for that one? My idea was, it is more likely that I see a bird fly by than it is that I fly in a spaceship today, because I see birds fly by pretty often. The sentence below says it is less likely that blank than it is that an orange will be orange. So orange will be orange is pretty likely. So something less likely than that is something that shouldn't happen very often, such as that it will rain candy. Can you think of something for these sentences? The first one is, it is very likely that, and the second one, it is very unlikely that. I wrote, it is very likely that I will drink water today because I drink water most days. And that it is very unlikely I will win a prize today because I haven't entered a contest. But who knows, maybe I could win something anyways. Now this sentence is just like your work today. It says, blank and blank are equally likely because. So you'll need to think of two things that are equally likely. My example says, my mom making dinner and my grandma making dinner are equally likely because they both like making dinner and I never know who will make it each night. Your job today is to copy down these sentences and fill in the blanks with situations that make them true now that we know all these probability words very well. Enjoy!